MxxYhu Matthew chapter 28. But late in the Shabbat, as it was dawning into day one of the week, Marim from Magdala and the other Marim came to see the tomb, and see, there was a great earthquake. For a messenger of Yahuah came down out of heaven, and came and rolled back the stone from the door and sat on it. And his appearance was like lightning, and his garments as white as snow. And the guards trembled for fear of him, and became like dead men. And the messenger responding said to the women, "Do not be afraid, for I know that you seek Yahusha who was impaled. He is not here, for he was raised, as he said. Come, see the place where the Master lay, and go quickly, say to his taught ones that he was raised from the dead. And see, he is going before you to Galilee. There you shall see him. See, I have told you." And they left the tomb quickly, with fear and great joy, and ran to report to his taught ones. And as they were going to report to his taught ones, see, Yahusha met them, saying, "Greetings." And they came and held him by the feet, and did bow to him. Then Yahusha said to them, "Do not be afraid. Go, report to my brothers to go to Galilee, and they shall see me there." And while they were going, see, some of the watch, having gone into the city, reported to the chief priests all that took place. And when they had come together with the elders and taken counsel, they gave enough silver to the soldiers, saying, "Say that his taught ones came at night and stole him away while we slept. And if this should be reported to the governor, we shall win him over and keep you out of trouble." And having taken the silver, they did as they were instructed. And this account was widely spread among the Yahudim to this day. And the 11 taught ones went away into Galilee, to the mountain which Yahusha had appointed for them. And when they saw him, they bowed to him, but some doubted. And Yahusha came up and spoke to them, saying, "All authority has been given to me in heaven and on earth. Therefore go and make taught ones of all the nations, immersing them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the set-apart Spirit. Immersing them in the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the set-apart Spirit. Teaching them to guard all that I have commanded you. And see, I am with you always until the end of the age." Amen.